Mudflood, Tartaria researchers, John Levy, Conspiracy RS, all of it, they're all correct. We have remnants of a Tartarian civilization with free energy buildings and structures. They just do not work right now because we are in the opposite cell as the type of cell which those structures were built in and work in. There are two types of cells, galvanic and electrolytic cells, that the whole Earth moves back and forth between. The one we are currently living in, the energy is held as free energy in the ground, and it is accessible by whoever wants to access it in the form of radioactive material, plutonium, uranium, etc. These rocks are confiscated quickly by the government. They have been shown to be not harmful to people. There are lots of biologists, physicists, and chemists who have published videos from the 70s and 80s that still exist on YouTube about how these rocks are not unsafe, and they are actually completely safe to use and to be in possession of. And in the next cell that we move into, the whole Earth changes its poles to change into the next cell. It will be accessible in the air. The energy will be accessible in the air instead of the ground. So this cell, the energy is in the ground. The next cell that we move into, the energy is in the air. When the energy is accessible in the air, we can harvest energy very freely using structures and free energy machines in the form of buildings and churches and all that we see from Tartarian YouTube channels and old pictures and even just around your city. We can tell that we are moving into the next age because we can notice a sharp increase in ozone, especially in the last 2 years. It's been highly publicized, and for the poles gradually shifting from north to south to east to west. We can also see that the aurora borealis has had lots of shifting going down from the north into the east. And that's how we know that we're moving into the next stage, and these free energy structures and buildings will gradually become alive and be able to work again. That's it. Thanks.